When we talk about retirement, what comes to mind? For many, it's the thought of finally relaxing after decades of hard work, of waking up late, reading a book, or taking a leisurely walk. But here's something worth considering. What if retirement isn't just the end game? What if it's a new chapter, full of possibilities and new adventures? Welcome to the Smart Retiree. If you're looking to optimize your retirement, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, take a moment to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The concept of retiring and living without a paycheck might seem daunting. After all, most of us are engrossed in our daily lives, often sidelining crucial retirement planning. And let me tell you, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. You can't just wing it. To illustrate the art of mastering retirement, let's turn our attention to someone who, although hasn't retired, could have done so decades ago, the legendary investor Warren Buffett. Buffett's journey isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about strategic, long-term thinking. He's a testament to how smart financial choices can pave the way for a life of abundance. If we wish to thrive in our golden years, understanding Buffett's approach could be the key. So, are you ready to navigate the path of retirement the Buffett way? Number 1. First and foremost, shift your perspective. For many, retirement marks the gradual winding down of life's pace. But what if we flipped the script? Buffett advocates viewing retirement as a fresh, invigorating chapter. By entering retirement with goals and ambitions, you not only enrich your life, but potentially safeguard your health. Look at Buffett himself. He's still actively leading Berkshire Hathaway, proving that age is just a number. Retirement doesn't mean stopping. Instead, view it as a shift in gears, a time to pursue passions without the constraint of a 9-to-5 job. Buffett's enduring enthusiasm at an age when most have retired showcases the immense potential that these years can hold. Embrace this phase with the zeal of starting a new venture. After all, it's a time of life earned through years of hard work. Number 2. Diversify your portfolio. Another gem from Buffett's treasure trove of advice is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Okay, you've probably heard this advice a million times, but the truth is, how many of you are really diversifying your portfolio? By spreading investments across a wide range of assets, you reduce the risk of a significant loss. This strategy ensures that even if one investment underperforms, others in your portfolio can balance the scales. Diversification is not just about preservation, it's a strategy for growth in the face of uncertainty. Now, on to number 3 and a phrase you might have heard, cash is king. Well, Buffett begs to differ. Stockpiling cash might feel secure, but in the long run, inflation can erode its value. Instead, Buffett champions diversifying into assets that have growth potential, like stocks or real estate. While having liquid assets is comforting, it's essential to understand the diminishing power of money due to inflation. Buffett often emphasizes the importance of smart investments that grow over time. A stagnant pool of cash may seem safe, but it's not strategic. Spreading your funds across diverse investments can ensure both safety and growth, creating a balanced financial portfolio. On to tip number 4, and perhaps one of the most crucial tips, especially for those with a faint heart: stay calm during market storms. The financial market will have its ups and downs, but panicking and making rash decisions can be more harmful than the crash itself. Remember, market downturns are transient, but the consequences of hasty choices can last a lifetime. Market volatility is as inevitable as the changing tides. Buffett's extensive investment career has weathered many storms, and his steadfastness during these times is legendary. Emotions, especially fear, can lead to decisions that might seem right in the short term, but can have lasting repercussions. Remember, the market has always recovered, and strategic patience can be rewarding. So before we move on to the final 3 investment tips, if you're enjoying this insight, don't forget to like and subscribe. And please, we want to hear from you, so if you have something useful to add, please comment below. The 5th tip is one that perhaps should be higher in the order. Hidden costs. When navigating the investment landscape, always be wary of hidden costs. High fees, often sneakily tucked away, can chip at your earnings over time. Buffett emphasizes the value of being vigilant, and opting for investments with minimal fees, ensuring more of your money works for you. The investment world is filled with nuances, and in these nuances, numerous costs can eat into your returns. Buffett has always advocated for a thorough understanding of where your money goes. An investment might seem profitable, but when associated fees and expenses are deducted, the picture could change. Always prioritize transparency and clarity in your investments. A foundational principle in Buffett's playbook is tip number 6, investment longevity. Treat stock investments like buying a home. You wouldn't purchase a house, only to sell it after a short while, right? So, why treat stocks any differently? By investing in robust assets and holding onto them, you're more likely to reap bigger rewards. Just like any valuable relationship, the best returns come with time. Buffett, like all the great investors throughout the history of investing, showcases the power of patience. He often speaks about the virtue of holding on to good investments. This doesn't mean being passive, it means being committed. Regularly review and understand your portfolio, but avoid knee-jerk reactions to short-term market fluctuations. Lastly, tip number 7, finding a balance in family finances. When it comes to family, ensure that in your bid to assist, you don't jeopardize your own financial security. It's not about withholding support, but striking a balance to ensure that in aiding others, you don't strain your resources. After all, a comfortable retirement is about smart decisions, not just for you, but for the generations that follow. Helping loved ones is an instinct. However, understand the importance of ensuring that in our bid to assist, we're not undermining our financial stability. After all, being in a position of financial strain benefits no one. Approach family financial support as you would any investment with clarity, understanding, and clear boundaries. In conclusion, planning for a retirement that's both fulfilling and financially secure might seem challenging, but it's far from impossible. Drawing wisdom from the legendary Warren Buffett offers a roadmap to navigate these golden years with confidence. Key takeaways from our exploration include understanding that retirement is a new beginning, not an end. It's a phase filled with potential and possibilities. We also realized the critical importance of viewing investments as long-term relationships, demanding commitment and understanding. One must stay vigilant about hidden costs that can erode hard-earned savings. This requires a proactive approach to understand and minimize associated fees. Further, while market dynamics are ever-changing and fluctuations inevitable, it's crucial to remain steady during financial storms. Emotions mustn't dictate financial decisions. Additionally, while our instinct is to support our loved ones, it's essential to strike a balance, ensuring our financial stability isn't compromised. And lastly, diversification isn't just a buzzword. It's a shield against uncertainty, ensuring that our investments can withstand and thrive amidst market volatility. Retirement, when approached with these insights, can truly be a rewarding chapter in our lives. Remember, it's about making smart choices today for a peaceful and prosperous tomorrow. Planning for a retirement that's both fulfilling and financially secure might seem challenging, but with the right strategies, it's within reach. If you found these insights valuable, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed for more enlightening content. Here's to a smart, strategic, and serene retirement.